These situations may seem funny, but overcrowding and overpopulation is a serious problem that affects more than just our comfort and convenience. It has a devastating effect on the environment. More than 6.7 billion people live on this planet, and the United Nations predicts that that number will grow to as much as 10.5 billion by the year 2050. The highest population growth rates will occur in low or middle income developing countries in Central America, Africa, and the Middle East. While the United States still produces the highest levels of CO2 emissions by a large margin, countries with burgeoning economies and booming populations are rapidly increasing their contributions. The world population has increased by almost 1 billion each decade over the past 30 years. The U.S. population has increased at approximately 25 million people each year. As the population grows, there's increased need for residential and commercial space. Increased populations have also led to increased primary energy consumption in the U.S. and the rest of the world. Rising demand for food requires vast amounts of farmland, which results in the clear-cutting of hundreds of thousands of trees. Additionally, the need for more livestock results in more methane emissions. Methane gas traps up to 21 times more heat than carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide emissions from various sources, particularly from burning fossil fuels, continues to increase as the population grows and developing countries industrialize. Limiting overpopulation can be a taboo topic, but the solutions must be considered and discussed. People should be educated about the issues and policies regarding population, and they should be changed in order to keep the population at a sustainable number. This means that people around the world should have access to birth control and family planning services. Students should be educated about population level and its implication for carbon emissions and climate change. Tax laws should be reformed in a way that encourages couples to have a limited number of children. Women around the world need to be empowered socially, legally, and economically so they can take control of their reproductive lives. Every person has the potential to be an innovator by creating new ways to combat climate change and carbon emissions. Help our Earth by getting the conversation started.